Hey guys, welcome back. This is Hawkeye Scanner. Today I want to talk to you about an idea I had and I shared with everyone on this channel a month or so ago. Let's count 2 months just for the sake of having a number. What you're going to see, it's amazing. It's totally shocking. Now remember, on behalf of the Hawkeye Traders team, we want to thank you for watching this video and we hope you learn a lot. If you're really looking to turn this trading activity, financial markets in the US into a business, you need the tools and we are here to provide those tools for you, okay? Now remember, this is our website, HawkeyeTraders.com. Remember, now you can make trading your business. How do you do that, okay? You do that when you trade using volume price analysis. Volume is the ultimate leading indicator. There's nothing else. Volume matters. It does, all right? If you trade in harmony with the markets, hey, don't fight the tape. Yeah, don't be, oh my God, we're in the year 2000. No, we're in the year 2021. Yeah, and yeah, there's there is inflation. We don't know if it's transitory or not. It doesn't matter. You have to adjust your business, and you do that when you're prepared. You actually make money in the markets, a lot of money if you stay in the trend. Stay in the trend. We have a tool for that. Hawkeye Trends Plus Stops. Now, above all, yeah, the human condition. We were not built to trade financial markets. It's too much data, just too much data. It's simple as it is. But you know what? With the right technical tools, you can remove emotion from trading. And that leads to big successes. Like remember, Anthony Speciale Jr., a regular businessman, very hardworking man, turned professional trader, oil trader. With what tools you think he uses? Hawkeye Traders, making $100,000 in a single month. Think about that. When you become an educator trader, yes, when you have knowledge, hey, listen, how do you become who you are in your career? By skipping classes? I don't think so. You were there paying attention because you wanted to make some money. Remember, people don't like to hire losers. Don't slack. Don't slack. Become an educator trader. And of course, keep a trading plan. Like a business. How do you think Jeff Bezos transformed an online bookseller, Amazon, into a mammoth, a gigantic machine? He had a plan. He stick to the plan. Yeah, some failures in the process, of course. Nothing has been perfect. Not everything has been perfect at Amazon. Don't think so. Well, it's the same when you're trading financial markets. There's a lot of things that you cannot control. But if you add to your game plan the right technical tools, I bet you one thing. You will be able to achieve the results I'm going to show you, okay? The calls I have made in the last 60 days following the Hawkeye Scanner have been nothing but absolutely amazing. And I want to share that with you today. So you have our website. You know what we believe in, what we think about this business. It's time for you to make a decision and join the Hawkeye Traders community. Now, let's jump directly to what happened. Back on September 16, I was talking about Devon Energy, ticker DVN. So look what happened. I tend to go for 2 to 3 ideas. Short-term options, which is very hot right now in financial markets in the US. It's great, but there's high risk. And yeah, high probability to make a lot of money. But I'd like to give you is 2 ideas. That's the minimum. The second idea I gave you, pay attention, was DVN give us a lot of time. And I was looking at the 40 call all the way to April 14, 2022. That's it. Give us a lot of time. Some traders, they don't want to do that. They want money now. But you have also to think like a hedge fund manager. You have to think risk in the short term and long term view. That's what is the game, baby. You want to make money, not everything can be on a weekly call, right? You have to set up a structure. So that's what I do as a performance coach. I have traders making $100,000 a year. I have traders making $4,000 per month. I have ladies joining. It's not a secret. Wall Street is a male-oriented business. That's what it is. But now ladies, they want a piece of the action, so they're joining. And they're choosing Hawkeye as the set of tools that they work with. Because once you understand volume, nothing else matters. Now, look at that. Remember, that's 90 cents at a time, 90 cents. The open interest was only it was only 43 contracts. Want to see where is that now? Right now? Take a look. 40 call, April 14, 2022, selling right now at $6.55. Last sale last Friday. And guess what? DVN, Devon Energy Corporation, pre-market plus 220, adding another 96 to their price, the stock price. Look at that. September, again, September 16, it was selling only for 90 cents. No one was paying attention, but we did. You know why? Because we have this. At the end of the day, you receive the Hawkeye Scanner. The Hawkeye Scanner makes your life easier. It's about using technology. Technology empowers humans, and we need to use it. At the end of the day, I don't chase anyone. These ideas, they come to me, come to Papa. And I take those trades and I analyze them. I'll show you what exactly happened. We're going to look at the chart. And this is why I want to take the time today, starting the week, to show you how powerful it is when you have this scanner on your side, because there's no more chasing. Money will flow to you. That's what it is. Money will flow to you. And if you follow the Hawkeye Traders methodology, you will be close to land the same ideas and turn that into thousands of dollars in potential profits for you with limited risk based on your investor, your trader profile. Always remember that. The other thing I wanted to share is that was not the only call I made on this company following the Hawkeye Scanner. I had another trade. Now let's chase that trade. I know it's somewhere here. I think this is the one. There you go. So this was a short term. I didn't want to go for a weekly call. So what I did, I chose December. If things were going to go well. You have heard me talking about IWM, the Russell 2000 had a strong breakout last Friday, last week. You have to be in. You have to be all in. It's not coming from me. It's not coming from Coach JR. It's coming also from Bank of America. They're saying the next 10 years, small caps, that's the business. Because remember, American tech did very well after the 2008-2009 great financial crisis. Amazon went from $50 to $3,500. Domino's Pizza, ticker DPZ, that thing was $3. $3. The Hawaiian pizza was only $3. The stock is selling now for $500. What are you waiting for? That's the time. So these are the new opportunities. I'm sorry. Hashtag sorry, no sorry. You miss out on Tesla. You miss out on Netflix. Miss out on Amazon. Domino's Pizza. Yum, yum, yum. You also miss out on that one. But don't let the market take you on this opportunity. We're in a bull market. It's going to be a straight line to the top of the mountain. It will not. But the most important is you have to pay attention. So that's why you need the Hawkeye Traders tool. There's no other way around it. Now look at this trade. $3.35. That means that every contract was selling for $335. Now it's a little bit over the top, but remember, if you add time on your side, it's okay to pay a little bit more. All right. Now look at the time. At 28 call. It was December 17. Now let's take a look. Where was this company trading at the time? The company was trading, it's a little bit blurry, but I think it was trading around $28. I do know I have it around here with Quote Media, and it's very clear for us. It was before that. Let me see if I got it right. Okay, there you go. The company was trading at $28.92 on September 16. Look at that right there in front of your screen. All right. Where is trading now? $44. Oh my God. Kaboom. That's amazing. That is amazing. Now let's take a look at the chart and let's go to TradingView with Hawkeye Traders tools. Now listen, you need to have this. Look at the trend. What a beautiful trend. But how do I know that? Hey, listen, I'm no genius. I didn't listen to my mom. I never finished my PhD in math. My sister got one. My brother has one. I didn't finish. So my bad, Mom. I'm sorry. But you know what? When I heard about this, when I heard the presentations that Randy Lindsay was conducting, when I heard about the whole strategy, how you plot all these tools, it makes a lot of sense. It makes no sense not to follow volume. That's what it is. So look at it. Perfect dip into September. You have three levels. You have three levels on the Hawkeye trend. You have first line, that's like your first battle there. Then the second one tends to be the high level, 80 to, I will say 70 to 80% probability that will stop there within the bullish trend. All right. Now the shaded area is, you can call it like your last. This is the last one. This is the last area where it will dip. So even if we have a break from 27.20 at the time to 26.56, you're still within the range to trade. Now look at what happened in September 20. Now we enter out September 16 at this level, very high. Market dips, remember, is trading, is a business, there's risk. We actually had a drawdown of 9.44%. Now, because we're trading with options in that case, remember, you can always pick shares. You will need just more capital. Because we were trading the options, 9% can translate into a 20, 30% drawdown. You can still live with that because we're looking for asymmetric risk all the time. So from that drawdown and from our entry, in reality, the stock moved in about 2 months, 43%. Oh my God, 43%, that's huge. That's huge. And we had all the signs in front of your screen. Follow the Hawkeye Traders tools. Look at that, boom, volume, but it's not ready because you don't have momentum. Now look, boom, roadkill. There's trend and volume changing. Now we're coming from dark red, meaning the fade, it's coming to an end, and we're pushing higher into what can be the beginning of a trend. We don't know that yet. We're still, we want to wait a little bit more. And now the market actually goes sideways from August 30th to the breakout that takes place on September 22. But at that time, we have a second, well, actually it's the third one. 1, 2, 3, third roadkill entry, volume 1, volume 2, and red dot, ultra high volume, boom, accumulation, retest of the level. It's always good to see that volume comes in, the price should retrace. That gives you the last opportunity, that's your last shot to buy the dip because something is coming. And there you go, breakout, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days later, and again volume kicks in, roadkill is there, and the rest is just part of history. Nothing else matters. It's volume. It's following the trend. And this whole thing, the reason why I take my time to explain these so much is because I want you to imagine these tools is not only one tool, it's a set of tools. Trend, Hawkeye Trends plus stops, all the time guiding us by the dip 1, by the dip 2, by the dip 3, ciao, 4 times. Adios, amigo. It's over. It's over. I didn't know this was happening. All I knew at the time is, let me wait for the end of the day and get my report. My Hawkeye Scanner does the job for me. That's the most important one you to keep. And all these translated, all these whole thing, you have my video. I'm like, oh, it's 12 minutes. This gave you this. The short-term trade, $3.35, now sells for $15. That's 1, 2, 3, probably 400% on the short-term calls. Now look at the long-term calls. Leaps, 40 call, April 14, 2022. Was selling for 90 cents. Now $6.55. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500% on a long-term idea and counting, because today the market will pop to the upside. The infrastructure bill from the Democrats, it's ready. I don't know if you like Biden. That's just an opinion. But whatever you think about the man, he's just doing what he can with what he has. He's working with the tools he has. He clearly doesn't have Hawkeye Traders. He clearly doesn't have it, but you have a chance. So after all this, yes, that's the point. This is your opportunity. You want to get this type of trades? You want to make these calls like I do? You can do it too. But hey, listen, you need the tools. That's all it is. Once you have the tools, you can position yourself in a big grand slam. It's a grand slam from the perspective of buying shares. Get it to your 401k, get it to your IRA Roth, IRA, I don't care. Just get it. And look what you can achieve. I am doing it, you will do it. This video is part of a training to make you achieve your goals. But the most important, remember, at the end of the day, our motto is for the team at Hawkeye Traders to give you the tools to make trading your business. So I thank you for watching. If you like the video, smash that like button. Give us a subscribe, and remember, you want to have these tools. So go to the description of this video, waste no time, and pick the professional package. The time has come for you to transform your future. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Ciao, ciao.